This video is over topic 29, number 6. So this is, again, this is looking at a graph. This graph corresponds to the situation of a machine at a bakery. It's pouring out flour. The graph shows the amount of flour in the machine versus time. So we have the amount of flour along the side, time in minutes across the bottom. So how many grams of flour were in the machine when it started? When it started would be at time 0. So at time 0 here, looking at where the graph is, and it is starting at 700 grams. Then at what time does the flour reach 0 grams? So again, looking at the grams scale, here's the 0 is at the bottom. So we're looking at when does it get to the bottom of the graph. And that time there is at the 5-minute mark. All right, then this is a little bit weird way this question is asked, but this is how you'll see it, Alex, as time increases, which just means as we're moving left to right on the graph in the normal progression forward in time, does the amount of flour in the machine increase or decrease? And we can see as we're going again left to right on the graph that the amount of flour is decreasing. And then it asks at what rate is the amount of flour increasing or decreasing? And when it says rate there, that means unit per 1 minute. So this is essentially, again, asking for the slope. So a couple ways you could find that. It's did the whole 700 grams in 5 minutes. So you could do that as a starting point, 700 grams in 5 minutes. Simplifies to 140 grams per minute. You could also get that from looking at the graph, whether you go, from here, like in the first minute, and compare those from 700 to 560, that's 140, or anywhere else along the way. Maybe you do that last minute to say, well, there was 140 left, and then in that 1 minute from 4 to 5, it finished that last 140 grams. You might look at, for 1 unit horizontally, that's 2 squares, but 2 squares is, each square is 70 units vertically. So 2 of those is 140. So 2 times 70, or maybe a subtraction, or dividing the whole 700 by the 5 minutes, various ways to come up with that 140 grams per minute.